Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Can we request Krishna to force us to surrender to him due to our condition?
Yes, you can request him. And he sometimes forces. He puts you in such circumstances that you have no other way than to surrender to Krishna. Yes. That is special favor. That is special favor. My spiritual master wanted me to preach, but I did not like it. But he forced me. Yes, that is my practical experience. I had no desire to accept the sannyas order and preach, but my spiritual master wanted it. I am not very much inclined, but he forced me. That is also done. That is special favor. When he forced me at that time, I thought that, what is this? What, I am committing some mistake or what is that? I was puzzled. But a little after I could understand that it is the greatest favor shown to me. You see? So when Krishna forces somebody to surrender, that is a great favor. But generally he does not do so. But he does so to a person who is very sincere to Krishna's service, but at the same time he has got slight desire for material enjoyment. In that case he does. That this foolish person does not know that material facility will never make him happy. And he is sincerely seeking my favor. But see, he is foolish. Therefore, whatever resource, little resource he has got for material enjoyment, break it. Then he will have no other alternative than to surrender. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita, Srimad Bhagavad. Jasyam anugrannami hariseta dhanam sanai. Krishna says that if I do somebody special favor, then I am making poverty stricken. I take away all his means of sense enjoyment. You see? That is stated in the Srimad Bhagavad. Because here, in this material world, everyone is trying to be happy by earning more money, by business, by service, by this way or that way. But in special cases, Krishna makes his business or service unsuccessful. Do you like that? At that time, he has no other alternative than to surrender to Krishna. But sometimes when you are unsuccessful in our business attempt or earning attempt, we become sorry that Krishna is so cruel upon me that I could not sustain this. But that is his favor, a special favor. You should understand like that. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.